This is how the logistics work, and I'll take you through it. Forest preparation first, then you harvest, then you transport. Transport is a real issue. We sell the majority of our product into the Russian domestic market, but we also supply our sawmill in Estonia, which is the secret to viability, and that's where the profit margins are. Okay, now to the pictures. Everything in here we own. As a matter of fact, that harvester, they're quite expensive. Coast is financing the second one, for which we're grateful. We got the 49-year licences, as explained. These are John Deere made. They're made under licence, finish. They do the work of, well, they're about 20 times more productive than labour, put it that way. Forwarding, that's a forwarder, that machine in the picture. Also John Deere. I mean, it beats the traditional Russian practice of a tractor with chains that drag timber, bugger up the quality of it. You don't get nearly as much for it. And they drag that timber 3 or 4 kilometres. We use these forwarders to stockpile the timber, and then we use part of a production unit. You know where you've got to have a production unit. It consists of the two European items, the harvester and the forwarder, 3 Russian trucks, which are cheap as chips. They're converted Russian army trucks. You buy them new, by the way, less than 50,000 each. Get a load of that. We've also got a Scania, which costs about 5 times as much, but it does all the stuff on the hard road, and it has a trailer. Then you need all-terrain vehicles, tractors, and a bulldozer. All-terrain vehicles help to provide security. You also need security, which we don't spell out in the production unit, but if you don't have people that are making sure that no one's pillaging your forest concessions, you're a fool. Here are some nice pictures. That's the Scania with the trailer. That's the famous Russian truck. With the Russians, you've got to buy these trucks.